Guys, so today we are playing Piggy Book 2. And yeah, there's been chapter 2 is here, and look, there's new skins. And yeah, which I don't have money for those, which kind of sucks. And there's chapter 2. What? Oh, damn it. It looks like they already escaped, and I just got in and they escaped. Okay. Alright. Well, still. Here we go. Here we bow. And we're gonna win this. I don't know about you guys, but I wanna win it. Because, like, okay, I'm just kidding, guys. I want to see this new ending. What's this? The store. Ooh, it calls store. Why is it a store? Why is it a store, huh? Well, let's just say I don't know. But, oh, here goes 4 votes. All right. Here we are. Player, go for everyone for player. Everyone, vote for player. Oh, I'm coming to your house. And I'll kill you if you don't subscribe. So subscribe now. Or a tarantula will get in your mouth when you're asleep. So subscribe to this channel right now. Oh shit, I'm Piggy. Damn it! At least we get to see the cutscene. Remember, we are going for better batteries and getting out of here. Alright, Pony. Okay. See you guys later. Guys, I just figured something out. You see that black thing with the red eyes? I just figured that out right now. He's just watching us. You see that red eyes at the train and he's all black? Look, over here that I'm pointing at? Yeah. So yeah, chapter 2 the store. And look, I'm just pointing my circle over there. See? Okay, yeah. Remember, we're going for batteries and getting out of here. Okay, Sizzy. Fine, but if I find any carrots, I'm taking them. Wait, was that, the players? Can you skip? Whoa. The carrots here would have a experience by now. Okay. And I see Piggy over too. Wait, this is the exit? The front door is the exit? Over there where you just spawn is the exit. This was an easy map. Aha! Look who's back. I told you they would be back before noon giraffe. Okay, a deal's a deal. Great, now I have to cook for the rest of the week. We've got the batteries. Is the radio ready? Yeah, is it? It sure is. Let's get this thing working. Yeah, let's do it. Here goes nothing. Hello? Can anyone hear me? Are you sure it's working? Greetings. We hear you. This is Settling 6 speaking. Who is this? Oh, this is the safe place. How can I help? We are looking for communities to trade with. We'd like to meet you. Where should we go to find you? Meet us at the Old Oak. It looks like we lost their signal. Oh shit. We should meet them. We've been living together for months without seeing another survivor. Oh, okay. I don't think this is a good idea. We don't know anything about them. Pony's right. Is this another one of your jokes, Pony? Nope, it's not a joke. No, Giraffe, I mean it. We have no idea who these people are, and I don't have any reason to trust them. Oh, I agree. I don't think we should trust them, but I still think we should check it out. Oh, Zizzy, okay. What? You can't go, Zizzy. We don't know who these people are. Yeah, Pony, we know that. Pony, we know how to handle our phone. Out there, it would get into trouble. We know how to get out of it. Zizi has a point. After all, you two fought an army and infected all by yourself at the plant? I suppose so. I don't feel right about this, but I guess we should try anyways. Yeah, Pony, come on. Then it's time to see some new facts. Who is staying? Who's staying? I need to stay. I need to harvest as much as I can before winter comes. I'm going to try and see if I can learn more about this radio. Okay, Mimi, alright. Then it looks like it's us three once more. Let's go meet some survivors. Yeah. Oh, there's still a cutscene? Are you sure this is the place? We haven't seen anyone. Well, look at these familiar faces. Who are these? Oh no! Pony, the ex-member, it's shame you left us. You are a very good friend. It's too bad you are nothing to me now. What? Willow? Beyond Mazirka 12, the officer who took me away from my family? Must feel good to rip me away from the honest. I cared about right. What? And who might you be? You are certainly someone I've never seen before. You may not know me, but I know everything about you and you sick crew. Is that so? I suppose Pony told you a lot about us, didn't he, sweetheart? That was one of his many flaws. He could never keep his mouth shut. What to do? Oh, I know. Take the zebra with us. Leave the two to road. No, leave her alone. Whoa. Hold your horses. I don't want to hurt anyone. Oh, I'm just taking her for questioning. That's all. Yeah, Pony. Yeah, I don't think it's okay. It's okay, Pony. I'll stay safe and come back. I promise. See, she understands now. Let's get out of here. Okay. Zizzy! Oh, Jesus. They're the Silver Paw. When the infect broke out, I needed to find a group. Unfortunately, I was stuck with them. They did awful things, but I was too scared to leave. What made you leave them? Yeah, what made you leave them? That's a story for another time. We need to go save Zizzy before we're too late. Shouldn't we tell the others? There's no time, Leonoseco 12. I need you now. I can't do this alone. Okay, Pony? Alright, let's follow them. That was a long cutscene. Wow. Well, anyways, guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell on so you can never miss a video from me again. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye-bye. But wait, before we end it, Officer Doggy is here. Okay, now actually we're ending it. Bye.